Hey there folks, welcome to an exciting journey into the world of star fruit. Mike Rowe here, ready to get my hands dirty with some star fruit farming. It's going to be a fun and educational adventure. You might know it as Carambola, but whatever you call it, this fruit is a star. Its unique shape and vibrant color make it stand out. Originally from Southeast Asia, this fruit is now grown all over the world, from Australia to South America. It's truly a global sensation. And why not? It's delicious, nutritious, and packed with vitamin C. It's a perfect addition to any diet. Plus, it looks awesome in a fruit salad. Its star shape adds a decorative touch to any dish. Star fruit is a versatile fruit. It can be used in a variety of culinary applications. You can eat it fresh, juice it, and enjoy its refreshing taste, or use it to make jams and jellies. These preserves capture the essence of the fruit. Some folks even use it in savory dishes. Its unique flavor can enhance a variety of recipes. But before it lands on your plate, it's got to be grown, harvested, and that's what we're going to explore today. The journey from farm to table is fascinating. We'll be digging into the fascinating world of star fruit farming. There's so much to learn about how this fruit is cultivated. From prepping the land to getting this star-shaped delicacy to your table, we'll cover it all. Every step is crucial in bringing you the best quality fruit. So, put on your work boots and let's get started. There's a lot to discover and enjoy about star fruit farming. Alright, first things first, we gotta prep the land. Star fruit trees love sunshine and well-drained soil, so we need a nice sunny spot with soil that doesn't hold too much water. We're talking sandy loam soil, the kind that's easy to work with. Now we need to clear the land of any weeds or unwanted plants. These can compete with our star fruit trees for nutrients and water. We can do this the old-fashioned way with some elbow grease, or we can use modern tools like tillers and cultivators. Once the land is cleared, it's time to add some nutrients to the soil. We can do this by adding compost or manure. This will give our star fruit trees the best possible start in life. Think of it like giving them a good breakfast before a big day. With the land prepped and ready, we can move on to the exciting part: planting. Now comes the fun part, planting. This is where all the preparation and planning start to come to life. While you can grow star fruit from seeds, most farmers prefer a faster and more reliable method: grafting. This technique not only saves time but also ensures better quality and consistency in the fruit. Grafting involves taking a cutting from a healthy, mature tree and attaching it to a compatible rootstock. This method allows the new tree to benefit from the established root system of the rootstock. First, we select a healthy rootstock. This is like the foundation of our tree, providing the necessary support and nutrients. Then, we carefully make a cut in the rootstock and insert a cutting from the desired star fruit variety. Precision is key here to ensure a successful graft. We seal the graft with grafting tape or wax to protect it from infection and to help the two parts bond together securely. Grafting might sound complicated, but it's a skill farmers have perfected over generations. It's a blend of art and science passed down through time. It ensures that our new trees inherit the best traits of the parent tree, like disease resistance and high yield. This means healthier trees and more abundant harvests. Once grafted, the young trees are nurtured in a nursery until they're strong enough to be transplanted to the field. This nurturing phase is crucial for their development. This usually takes about 6 to 12 months depending on the conditions and care provided. During this time, they're watered regularly and protected from pests and diseases. Constant monitoring ensures they grow healthy and strong, ready for the next stage of their journey. Farming's not just about calloused hands and straw hats anymore. These days, it's about embracing technology to make things more efficient and sustainable. And star fruit farming is no exception. Drones are becoming increasingly popular in agriculture. They can be equipped with cameras and sensors to monitor the health of crops from the sky. This bird's-eye view helps farmers identify any problems early on, like nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations. Then we have IoT sensors, which are like little spies planted in the field. They collect data on soil moisture, temperature, and even sunlight levels. This information is then sent to the farmer's smartphone or computer, allowing them to fine-tune irrigation and fertilization schedules. By using technology, farmers can save water, reduce fertilizer use, and ultimately, grow healthier and more abundant crops. It's a win-win for the farmer and the environment. Section 5. Keeping the plants healthy. Once our star fruit trees are happily settled in the field, they need regular care and attention. Think of it like raising kids, but with a lot less talking back. Pruning is essential for maintaining the shape and size of the trees. It also helps to improve air circulation and sunlight penetration, which are crucial for fruit production. We prune our trees regularly, removing any dead, diseased, or crossing branches. Next up, pest control. Just like any other crop, star fruit trees are susceptible to pests and diseases. We use a combination of methods to keep them at bay, including natural predators, organic pesticides, and good old-fashioned vigilance. Regular fertilization is also crucial. We provide our trees with a balanced diet of nutrients to ensure healthy growth and fruit development. This usually involves applying fertilizers throughout the growing season based on soil tests and the tree's needs. Section 6. Harvest time, picking the perfect star fruit. After months of hard work and anticipation, it's finally harvest time. The sight of those vibrant star-shaped fruits hanging from the branches is a reward in itself. But how do we know when they're ready to be picked? Well, there are a few telltale signs. Ripe star fruit will have a vibrant yellow color and a slightly soft texture when gently squeezed. The ridges will also be plump and well-defined. We don't want to pick them too early or they'll be sour, and we definitely don't want to wait too long or they'll become overripe and mushy. Harvesting is usually done by hand. We carefully twist the fruit from the branch, making sure not to damage the tree. The harvested fruits are then placed gently in baskets or crates to avoid bruising. From here, the star fruit begins its journey from the orchard to your table. Section 7. From tree to table, processing and exporting. Once harvested, the star fruit is transported to a packing facility. Here, it's sorted, graded, and cleaned. Any damaged or blemished fruits are removed, ensuring that only the highest quality star fruit reaches the market. Next, the fruits are washed and dried to remove any dirt or debris. They're then packed into boxes or trays, often lined with protective padding to prevent bruising during transportation. Star fruit is a delicate fruit, so it's important to maintain the cold chain during transportation. This means keeping it refrigerated at a specific temperature to preserve its freshness and quality. Refrigerated trucks and shipping containers are used to transport the fruits to domestic and international markets. Thanks to efficient logistics and modern transportation, star fruit can be enjoyed by people all over the world, bringing a taste of the tropics to their tables. Section 8. The business of star fruit costs and profits. Now let's talk business. Star fruit farming, like any other business, involves costs and profits. The initial investment can be significant considering the cost of land, planting materials, labor, and equipment. However, star fruit trees start bearing fruit within a few years of planting, and they can continue to produce for several decades with proper care. The demand for star fruit is steadily increasing, both domestically and internationally, making it a potentially lucrative crop. Factors like yield, market price, and production costs can influence profitability. By implementing efficient farming practices, managing costs effectively, and tapping into niche markets, star fruit farmers can increase their chances of success. Section 9. The future of star fruit. The future of star fruit farming looks incredibly bright and promising. With the global demand for exotic fruits on the rise, there's a growing market for this unique and flavorful fruit. But that's not all. The star fruit is not just a trend, it's becoming a staple in many households and gourmet kitchens around the world. Innovation is also shaping the future of star fruit cultivation. Farmers are adopting cutting-edge technologies to improve efficiency and productivity. Hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, is gaining traction in star fruit farming. This method is revolutionizing how we think about agriculture. This technique allows for greater control over growing conditions, resulting in higher yields and reduced water usage. It's a win-win for both farmers and the environment. Imagine star fruit growing vertically in climate-controlled environments, maximizing space and resource efficiency. These innovative methods are paving the way for sustainable farming practices. Research and development are also underway to develop new varieties of star fruit with improved traits, such as disease resistance, higher sugar content, and longer shelf life. Scientists are working tirelessly to make these advancements a reality. These advancements will further enhance the profitability and sustainability of star fruit farming. Farmers will be able to produce more resilient and delicious fruits. So, there you have it, folks. The future of star fruit farming is not just about growing fruit, it's about innovation, sustainability, and meeting the demands of a global market. From the orchard to your table, star fruit farming is a fascinating journey that combines tradition, innovation, and a whole lot of hard work. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to cultivate something extraordinary. And with the growing demand for this exotic delicacy, the future of starfruit farming looks as bright as a star-filled sky. The journey of starfruit from farm to table is truly a stellar adventure.